Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I've just had a little parcel arrive from Madam Glam and they've sent another new pigment palette. So some of you might have already seen my previous video where we received these two new palettes. They've also brought another new one out now. So this one is available on the Madam Glam website right now. So this one has got lovely autumny nude colours. On the back you have got your ingredients, you've got how to apply. So today I'm going to be doing a very quick video and I want to show you how to do the easiest Babyboomer you are ever going to do in your life. So I'm just debating what colour to use. I know I'm going to be using this white, but I'm not sure whether to use this pink or this one. I think I might go with this one. Just a little bit, I don't know. I think I'm going to go with this one just because you're going to be able to see it a lot better on camera. Normally I would probably go for this as the nail bed colour, but I want you to be able to see it better on camera, so I'm going to go for this one because it's a little bit darker. So I've pulled my little friendly finger out. I'm going to start off by applying a coat of Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. So these pigments always apply better over a matte surface. You can also apply them over a tacky layer of a gel polish, as long as if it's not too tacky. But Madam Glam advised to apply it over a matte top coat, so we're going to try it over a matte top coat today. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Right, so that matte top coat is all cured. I'm going to start off by going in with the pink first. So I'm starting off by applying the majority of the colour, and I'm applying it darker in that cuticle area, and up them side. Make sure you get up them side walls as well. Then as I'm coming towards this free edge, I'm not applying any more product to my sponge. I'm just using what I've already got, and I'm just dragging. I need to get up that side wall a bit more. Like that. Perfect. Like that. So yeah, I'm just dragging down what I've already got on my sponge. Like that. And then we're going to get the white. So we're going to start off right at the tip first because that's where it wants to be the whitest. Just start working our way up. Very light touches. Get rid of that excess there. Just put a little bit more white on that tip. That is it, guys. How easy was that? Look at that blend. How easy was that? I cannot believe how easy that was. Wow. So I'm just going to give it a little dust off. Just to get rid of any excess pigment. And then we'll give it a top coat and have another look at it, shall we? Now, do we go with shiny or do we go with matte? We'll go with shiny, shall we? Now, I don't really want to use my Madam Glam top coat for this. So I'm just using an old top coat, what I use for going over glitters and pigments with. Because I don't want to ruin my Madam Glam top coat. Don't forget to cap the free edge. Pop that in the lamp. And there we are, guys. That fully cured. How easy is that to do a Babyboomer? Like I said, I would have preferred to do the lighter pink as a nail bed colour, but I wanted you to be able to see it properly on camera. That was so easy, wasn't it? Should we do another one? Very, very quickly. Should we do a Halloween-y coloured one, like maybe yellow and orange or something like that? I think that would be quite cool, don't you? Right, give it a matte top coat. Another thing as well, guys, when you are applying this matte top coat, make sure there's no dust in it. Make sure it's super smooth because that pigment will show any lumps. So make sure there's no dust in it or nothing before you put it in the lamp. Right, so there we go. That's all matted out. So let's go in with the yellow first. Like that, and then the orange. Right there, if you feel like you've gone in with too much orange or you've gone too high with the orange, you can always go back in with the yellow. Look at that, guys, it's so easy. I cannot believe how easy that is. Sod all that messing about with gels and ombre brushes and all that. What is the point when you can just get your pigments out and do an ombre within seconds? Look at that. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it because the blend is that good. I don't know if you're actually going to be able to see the blend. Right, let's get it top coated, shall we, and have a look at it. I think I'm going to go in with the matte top coat on this one, you know. When you top coat, guys, just kind of glide it over. Don't drag it, don't keep going over it. Just try and glide it over so you're not dragging any of that pigment. Like that. You can see there's a little bit on my brush there, so I'm just going to wipe my brush off on a bit of kitchen roll before I put it back in the bottle. And that is it. Pop it in the lamp. So there we are, guys. That is our two Babyboomers, blends, ombres, whatever you want to call them. Effortless. Absolutely effortless to do. I'm loving this pink and white one in shiny, you know, believe it or not. I thought I'd have been more for the matte one, but no. I really like that in shiny. It's super glassy. So that is everything for today's video, guys. A nice, quick, short video for you today. I just wanted to show you this new palette. and I wanted to show you different things that you can do with these. Like I said earlier, these are all available on the Madam Glam website right now. So if anyone's interested in them, head on over there and get yours ordered before they're all gone. For those of you that don't know, I have now got a massive new 35% off discount code for Madam Glam. You'll see it's in the top right hand corner of the screen, GG35. I'll pin that in my comments along with a link to the Madam Glam website. So don't forget to pop that in at checkout to save yourself a massive 35% off your whole order. I really hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.